This is a two-player game that will help you practice addition and subtraction concepts. You'll need a game board, spinner, and the spinner piece, and some kind of math tool to help you when you get stuck. Might be a 10 frame, might be a math rack, might be your cubes. Start by deciding who goes first, and each person may take their piece and put it at the beginning. You could start here or you could start here. Doesn't really matter. Spin the spinner and move forward 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. Now look at the number that you landed on, in this case 0. And then use your tool to figure out how many more you would need from 0 to make 10. So if I have 0 foam pieces on my board, how many do I need to make 10? The answer is 10. I have to tell my partner I need 10 more. If he agrees, I get to stay there. If I'm wrong, I have to move back to where I started. All right, then the next person will go. They'll move their game piece. In this case, we'll just use a chip. They'll spin. Okay, they move forward 1 space, so they'll go to the 7. Now, back with your foam. If I start out with 7, how many more do I need to make 10? And I can see here that I still need 3 more pieces. So I would tell my partner I need 3 more to make 10. If I'm right, I get to stay there. If I'm wrong, I'd have to move back where I start. Keep playing and keep figuring out how many more you need to make 10 until someone reaches the finish line. If you want, you can use a math rack to help you with this same concept. So if I rolled a 7, I could pull 7 sliders over, and now I look to see how many more do I still need to make 10. Well, I still need these 3 more. Have fun working on concepts of how to make 10.